Hello there!
Are we all here?
I wasn't sure about coming, but now I'm really glad that I did. I'm having so much fun. Thanks for inviting me, Camp.
Glad you're having fun. You're so very welcome.
Let's unpack our stuff, and then we can really start camping.
Yes! Hooray! Camping! Yay!
Helly, did you feel that tremor? Yes, it's an earthquake. That's what I thought, too. Roy and Poli are checking out the situation downtown. You should pack up the campsite immediately and move everyone to a safe area. Got it, Jen. You hear that?
Yes!
The earthquake could start again at any moment, so we'd better get to shelter fast.
All right, let's go.
Now everyone follow me. Wait. Citizens of Broomstown, another earthquake may occur at any moment. Please move to a safe place.
Please, everyone move to a shelter or an area without buildings. And stay calm.
Roy, good to see you. The power is all off.
Good. Now get yourself to a safe place. And when you're inside, don't forget to leave the doors open in case you have to escape.
Thanks, Roy.
Everyone stay indoors. To avoid falling objects, take cover under a desk or table and place a cushion over your head.
This must really be serious.
Yeah, you're right. I should wrap up my work here and head home. I'm worried about the crew. Gee, I hope everyone is all right.
You should go. Hurry!
Hello? Are you in there? Guide? Where did everybody go? Oh, no! The water is leaking! There! Huh? It's not opening!
I'm scared!
It'll be okay. Stay calm.
Amber, how long will this last?
Hopefully not long. This is the safest place we can be.
Okay.
Is it over?
It feels like it passed. Yeah. Helly, what's your situation? It's all clear here. Is the earthquake over now? Is it safe to come out? Yes, it's all over. You can come out now. Everyone, the earthquake is over.
That's wonderful.
Emergency! Emergency!
What is it, Jin?
Mr. Builder is trapped in Max's house. All units, get ready and move out. Okay.
Thank goodness. Help us, please. Mr. Builder and my fish are trapped inside.
Don't worry. We'll get both of them out of there. Roy, see if you can open the door.
Okay.
Mr. Builder, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Holy! The earthquake jammed the door and I can't open it.
Okay, then we're going to have to make a hole. Mr. Builder, stand back. It could be dangerous.
All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Right!
Huh.
Huh.
Helly, go in!
Okay.
Oh, poor Mini-Max. Please be safe.
Mr. Builder!
Mr. Builder, are you okay?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, go. Excavator. Go, go, go.
Bulldozer.
Dig it up, lift it up, excavator poke. Vroom, pow, vroom, pow, boom.
Push the dirt away, bulldozer Bruner.
Vroom, pow, boom. Go, go.
Dump truck.
Go, go, go. Steamroller.
Carry and dump the dirt. Dump truck, dump poo.
Vroom, pow, boom. Roll and roll, press, steamroller max. Vroom, pow, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We are the world's best construction team. The greatest friendship, supreme teamwork. We are the world's best construction team. The greatest friendship, supreme teamwork.
Go, go. Excavator. Go, go, go.
Bulldozer.
Go, go.
Dump truck.